What's the deal with that? The float stuck? So today I'll be getting tires for this car so that it can actually be driven, because it has tires that are probably 15 years old. In fact, one of them's flat right now, so we'll go from there. Yeah, so they're 205, 75, 14s on here now. I think if I went 215, 70 14s, they'd be approximately the same height, but just a little bit wider, which would be nice.
200.
200 horsepower?
Yeah, all this performance, fuel economy data.
That's with the 292? Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And they're saying about 200. And that's saying that's what it had when it was made.
Yeah. And obviously it's got a lot more
It would
gaps
go
in it.
0 to 60 in 10.2 seconds.
That's not bad. Couldn't even drive that on a quarter-mile strip because it would leak so much oil by the time you got to the end. They'd probably throw you out.
They'd shut you down.
All right, so that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to call for the 215 70 14 because this has the 205 75 14, and it should be roughly the same height, but giving me a little bit wider tread. If you got new ones, how long would it take to get them? Really? By tomorrow? Okay. How much would they be though? Four of them. Okay. Hello? Yeah.
Yeah, we're in Mitch's called a Nixon, Ingrid. It's got a 50,000 mile warranty on them.
Okay.
4 tires, stems, balance, tax, and 2% environmental. $389.65.
$389.65. Okay, let me call you back, okay?
No problem, sir.
All right, thanks.
Okay, bye.
Bye. What are you working on, Bill? Stuff I broke?
I wouldn't say that.
So the newest development is I broke the car again. That looks fun.
No, it's not. That's why I told you it's expensive.
I thought you said you don't work out anymore. Isn't this a workout?
Worse.
Is it in there? It looks like it's in there. Let me see if I can break it again.
I'm sure you can. Because it's just a...
It's just a press kind of fitting, like spring
Well,
loaded.
you
So that
turn
fell
it. I
out.
saw how it was. I saw how it worked. And then you put it in there, push in the spring and kind of turn it. And
Yeah.
it locks it. But it's not super tight, so it could easily pop out again. But
Maybe I should try it.
that just cost you $200.
Yeah, well, it better not have. It cost me my marriage. I didn't give it any gas, so.
No, that's fine.
So that stayed pretty good. That felt like it was tight. Well, fairly tight. I see what you mean though, it's moving around a little bit.
Oh, so that's nice.
Yeah, I know, I think it sounds good. I think it sounds good. Sounds good. It's not blowing any moisture out anymore. It's got the flat, of course. So what are you doing? You giving it some schmoo?
Yes. I think that's well, it's either Midwest or Florida, because those are the only places I've been other than here. And it didn't come
Yeah.
from here, I guess.
That's a schmoo blaster, huh?
Well, this is just lubing up that spring. rusty guy.
But now it's all smoothed up, so.
We'll find it.
Oh. Oh, you're smoothing it in there. So now are you just schmoozing it? Is that what it is?
Oh, I don't like the way you say that. Yeah, it probably just has a lot to do with the cable itself.
It works better.
Yeah.
Because it didn't even do that before.
No,
I had to pry it with
was
my
hard.
fingers.
Yeah.
So I just wanted to tell you guys which tire I went with. It's a Kumho, I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right, Solus 215/70/14. This vehicle only has 14-inch wheels. So the tires are pretty inexpensive. I think I paid $59 a piece for these. And I purchased those tires from Walmart online. And I got them in one day. So I looked up the original order on those Kumho tires. Oh, and by the way, those are Korean-made tires. The price was $59.78 each. So that's a pretty good deal because I'm used to buying tires for 16-inch wheels for most of my vehicles anyway. And like I said, they came in 24 hours. So there was tax, $14.57, free delivery, merchandise fee, $4.76. I have no idea what that is. But anyway, it came out to about $260. $260 for 4 tires. That's not bad. Break anything yet?
Just about everything I touched this morning.
But not in this car.
No.
Just on a bunch of other cars,
No,
huh?
this thing's too strong. Unless you touch it. So don't touch it.
I know, I break everything I touch on here. So have you guys started anything yet, or you got?
Change that left front's done.
Oh yeah. It's an Arizona car.
Always?
Yeah. This car's from Tucson. I'm second owner.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's very strange then that happened.
I know.
They had to take it somewhere. Maybe they took it out to Daytona Beach and
Right. Well, they could have lived somewhere for a few years or something. Yeah. But Michigan in the winter or.
Anyway, because that's rare that would happen.
Yeah. You know what though? The grill's in really good. The bumpers are messed up, but the grill seems like that would be hard to replace too, or even get straightened out. But that's in really good shape, you know. So you guys are doing the brakes and the shocks, and
And the fuel tank.
and the fuel tank.
That's the right one. Once you get it up.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, I know. I hope it is.
Ah, come on. Those are nice.
Yeah. Okay, so I am off to tire shop to get the tires put on, those rims from the Galaxie. And while I'm gone, they're going to continue to work on those brakes. And hopefully get back before they do the shocks. And they're going to be doing the gas tank today. And actually, it should be drivable. There's a few like light covers and things like that, not bulbs. So it should be okay. I mean, the red light covers for the tail lights and the brake lights, those are fine, good enough. But just the backup covers, one of those is gone, deteriorated. Shouldn't be an issue. Anyway, so we will stop back in here after I get the tires done. What's going on, Bill?
No, just having a hard time believing this wheel over here.
Oh. So you want to hear what happened? What interesting thing happened at the tire place? I got them, and it's all done. But somebody got in a really bad accident and sent out the whole grid over there, and so he couldn't take a credit card. He did say that those tires are exactly the same height, just a wider footprint.
Well, that's what they would end up
I mean,
doing.
when he said exactly, it could be a 16 off or
because
something.
we went wider, but we went smaller.
Right.
On the ratio.
I kind of wish I'd have gone one size up, but oh well. Too late now. Too late now.
Always hindsight.
I know.
Well, we get a snag, but there's other stuff to do. Bolt shocks in here?
Should be.
Well, we're going to delay here because we need to get a line off the proportioning valve.
Off the what?
Off the proportioning valve.
Proportioning valve.
It's frozen.
What is a proportioning valve?
That's what sends fluid from the master cylinder, and then it goes to each of the wheels.
But you did the master cylinder.
Yeah, that's all fine, but
Yeah.
and we were able to get fluid to every one of the wheels, but this one up here.
These are hydraulic. They work on air pressure. And it doesn't work.
Well, we could try and replace those hoses.
Okay, it does look pretty
Yeah.
cracked, huh?
And if they don't, then it's leaking inside here, and then I don't know if you can get anything for it.
Okay. It would be nice to have some windshield wipers.
Yeah, but I'm just wondering if worst comes to worst, depending upon how it is inside there, if there's a, you know, it could be an electric motor that you could just get to work.
Yeah. There's numbers and
Yeah, but the first thing to do is just see if we can get good vacuum to it.
so there's an issue with the front left brake. They've got to let it soak because they can't break it free, the line. And then that should be good to go tomorrow. We should be able to fix that. So it's still got to go up, do the gas tank, do the shocks, that's easy. Finish the brake job. I got the tires and wheels, so put those on. And I don't see why I won't be able to drive it out of here tomorrow.